Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect any Fastrack smartwatch to your phone and set the time and date. The first step is to scan the QR code on the smartwatch and download the application. If the smartwatch has been connected to another phone before, you will need to reset it first. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and make sure your phone has an internet connection. Open the app on your phone and follow the instructions shown in the video to connect the smartwatch to your phone. You will need to enter your phone number in the application. If you have an international phone number, you will probably not receive the OTP by message. You can find a video in the description below on how to use the application without the OTP. You will also need to add some personal details like your name, height and weight to access the application. Once connected, the time and date will update automatically on the smartwatch. Here is a video on how to set the wallpaper on this smartwatch. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.